This is a programming question. Consider the following C code segment, and a C code segment is given. For the program fragment above, which of the following statements about the variables I and j must be true after execution of the program, where exclamatory marks represents the factorial. So we are asked to find out what are the values of I and j if the program executes. So one thing that can be sure by looking into the code is that once the whole program is complete, the I value will be equal to 10, as I is incremented each time, and when when I is less than 10 only, the whole code terminates. The second point is that j is equal to j into I. So at each iteration, j will be multiplied by with the current I value. So in each iteration, initially j will be 1, next iteration j will be equal to 1 into 2, and in the next iteration j will be equal to 1 into 2 into 3. Similarly, this goes on till j is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 etc into 9, because in the when I is equal to 10, the whole loop stops. So when I is equal to 10, j will be equal to 9 factorial. Just read the options here. So option based on option A, this cannot be correct, but option B can be correct. Option C will not be correct, and option D can also be correct. Now move on to the next thing. So we have two options as of now, B and D. Now one more point to note here is that if x equal to I, we break. So what happens here is that the ultimate value of I can also be equal to x. I can be equal to x. Now when I is equal to x, this similarly this j value will be also following a pattern where j will be equal to x minus 1 factorial. So going by the options, option D is the correct answer here. That is when j equal to 9 factorial, I will be equal to 10, or when j is equal to x minus 1 factorial, I will be equal to x. So option D is the correct answer.